Hi guys. Hi everyone.
From the tips of your fingers down to the soles of your feet.
First and the most important rule is you are not allowed to touch the whale sharks because they are considered as wild creatures. So the this is more than I can take. You're the fruit that I can taste. You only seek what you give away. You'll only speak what you wanna say.
Ayos, go! Guys,
Alam mo po shower dito sa tubig.
banlas na mi guys kay manamig ligo. Another day, another adventure.
Tingnan na yung lugi ako. Ano na? Another day, another time to catch.
Hey. What's up guys? Naiwi siya gapon. Pagawas na mi. What's up John? Pinaka 10k subscribers sa YouTube. Taas pa ni? Taas pa ni speak dili.
Saan na ikaw na po?
Igor, lulang tatanggal.
Oh, drone no? Datang drone. Oh, ako cute. Pili na ko guys. Dili na gani. Totoo na, dagan na. Lagi dyan. Grabe, stamina lang oy. Pero ito na statue.
Dito dapat. Ako ang maginaya dyan. Pawikan ang ginaya.
Hala, matutadad to.
Ano yung nada sardines?
Uy, layo ko.
We brought our drum and this is how we dance. No mistaking, we make our breaks. If you don't like our 808s, then leave us alone, 'cause we don't need your policies. We have no apologies for being find me where the wild. Oh my baby, alright. Don't mind us. Find me where the wild. Oh my baby.
Takot ka pala sa ipis.
So, kung nakakuha sa ulo ni Jan, yan ba?
So what's up guys? Take my breath away.
D-A. D-E.
What's up guys?
sa kakuha. Asa yung si Bobby. Nag-sale man ang pano ba? 11-11 mo kasi. 11-12 mo ba?
Shout out TikTok star Ron Palado. How are you brother? Hi brother.
Don't try to be right. Watch you step on the stairs. Keep your head in the light. It's only money, who cares?
Kana? Oo, na-negros man. Negros mo. Nalagi sa mapa.
Ginulungan, banda.
Pwede na siya dumagate. Kaya dumagate pa.
Drunk in the back of the car. I like your baby coming home from the... Asan naman punta? What's up guys? What's up sir? Money among pan guys. Financer. Char. Tagiyanig bangko. Lupig pa daw ang surayda. Hindi siya kapig. Gitar ka na? Yo, okay go. Chili bar. Hindi naman tatunan niyo ito. Ano, lumahaw.
Okay, net po ko man.
Excuse me.
Meters down. Paper up.
Wala pa sila. Another day, another adventure. Dara ako mga kauban dre guys. Tsada kay guys. Ain't no dancing in the down. I'm yelling timber, you better move, you better dance. This man tonight, you won't remember. I'll be the one you won't forget. Hey. Oh. Guys, Yeah.
Apil po isa taga-video.
Let's go
Kay Gakolab.
down. Yelling timber, you better move. Wow. Ay, dire na 36 na po siya.
Biling pa dyan. Pero mga wala na.
Okay na, pwede na makuha eh.
Yeah, mag-videohan mo. It's me guys. Power piece. Nagamay na po naman. Mabili, nagamay na ulang-ulangoy ganito.
Scared to be lonely.
I hear your heartbeat to the beat of the drums. Oh, what a shame that you came here with someone. So while you're here in my arms, let's make the most of the night like we're gonna. I hear your heartbeat to the beat of the drums. Oh, what a shame that you came here with someone. So while you're here in my arms, let's make the most of the night like we're gonna die young. We're gonna die young. We're gonna die young. Let's make the most of the night like we're gonna die young.
Hi guys, nangita mig silugan karon guys. Kay Sa oras dyan? Ang oras alas 2. It's 2 AM in the morning and nangita mig silugan karon. Mo ni huy. Madang guys, nag-go-something meron guys.